The best launching cars ever, from the Bugatti Chiron to the Rimac Nevera. Should you be a fan of high-performance sports cars, then you will be aware of some of the best launches ever. Seeing as many people have their own opinions, it might help to whittle it down with Carwow's take on what cars have the best launches. The likes of the Bugatti Chiron, the Rimac Nevera, Porsche's 911, and the McLaren 720S Spider, and many more feature in a recent compilation video uploaded onto Carwow's YouTube channel. Examining the cars with the best launches. The team at Carwow has been lucky enough to check out lots of really great launching cars such as the Bugatti Chiron, the Rimac Nevera, the Aventador, and many more. While most of the cars on the track are very well known, such as the Bugatti Chiron and Porsche 911, the Rimac Nevera is not as well known yet. However, it should be well known as one of the fastest sports car brands ever, with it churning out an insanely impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour time in a whopping 2.2 seconds, while the likes of the Bugatti Chiron is shortly behind with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.4 seconds. Other cars that are set to the test for the best cars ever included the likes of the Audi TT RS, the BMW M5 and M4, McLaren 600 LT Spider, Dodge's Demon, and the Citroën Ami. As you might guess, not all wow the Carwow team. The likes of the Ami leave the test driver quite funnily in disappointment. Rimac Nevera and Ferrari 488 GTB are standouts. It seems that the team enjoys every car for different reasons in the clip. The thrill and excitement of driving the sports cars around the track is quite apparent. Additionally, they take some on the ice to get a feel for their terrain capabilities and how they handle different conditions. A different team member tests each one with a passenger in the front seat, or in the back for the likes of the BMW M760i. Every reaction is uncanny, even when the car isn't up to much speed. Overall, it seems that the team thoroughly enjoyed the Rimac Nevera and the Ferrari 488 GTB. Although most, not the Citroën Ami, is impressive and thoroughly excite the team, some cars really do stand out and, in a sense, surprise the team with their performance abilities.